How to fix action not available in Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you go to like a game in Roblox, but you can't because it says action not available. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to fix this issue so that we can actually like games in Roblox, the first thing we need to do is simply go back to the home screen of Roblox right here, then select More in the bottom menu, then scroll down, select Settings, and then in Settings, select Account Info. Now, in order to be able to like games on Roblox, you need to have your email address verified. So once you get in here, make sure you have an email address. If not, select Add Email, then just enter your email, and then select Add Email. Once you enter your email, it'll say an email has been sent for verification, so go ahead and find that email. You'll then get an email that looks like this. Simply select Verify Email. Once it says, thank you, your email has been verified, you can go back to the Roblox mobile app. And I recommend closing it and then opening it back up. Then when you open up the Roblox app again, simply find the game that you want to like, and then you should be able to like it this time, as you can see, because we verified our email. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.